Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add a logo in Power BI Desktop. Brand your reports. Let's dive into why adding a logo to your Power BI reports can be a game changer. Imagine you're crafting a report for your team, a client, or perhaps even for your own professional portfolio. Adding your logo is more than just a finishing touch. It instantly elevates the professional look of your report, ensuring it aligns with your brand identity. This not only makes your work appear polished, but also reinforces brand recognition every time someone views your report. So, let's explore how to seamlessly integrate your logo into Power BI Desktop. First things first, let's get started by opening up your report in Power BI Desktop. Make sure you're on the report canvas where you envision your logo being placed. This is your creative space where all the visual magic happens. Now, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll notice the ribbon, a toolbar with various tabs. Here, you want to click on the Insert tab. This section is a treasure trove of tools where Power BI houses all the options for adding visual elements like text boxes, shapes, buttons, and most importantly for us today, images. With the Insert tab selected, go ahead and choose the Image option. Clicking this will open your computer's File Explorer. This is where you will navigate to the folder where you've stored your logo file. Power BI supports several image formats such as PNG, JPEG, and SVG. If you have the choice, I recommend using a PNG with a transparent background. This format tends to look the cleanest because it seamlessly blends with your report's background color or wallpaper. Additionally, ensure that the version of the logo you use is crisp and not too large in file size. This helps keep your report responsive and quick to load. After selecting your logo file, confirm your choice. Power BI will then drop the image onto your report canvas, and voila, you'll see your logo appear. Now's the time to fine-tune its placement. Typically, logos are placed in a corner of the page, which keeps them visible without taking attention away from the important charts and visuals. You can click and drag the logo to move it, and use the corner handles to resize it. If you'd like to maintain the original proportions of your logo, remember to resize from a corner instead of the sides. This prevents any unwanted stretching or squashing of your logo. Here's a handy tip. Consider the visual hierarchy of your report. Your charts and KPIs should be the main focus, with the logo subtly reinforcing your brand in the background. If your logo has intricate details or a dark design, try placing it against a simpler part of a report background to ensure it remains clear and professional looking. Especially if your report spans multiple pages. Position and size your logo similarly on each page to create a cohesive look throughout your report. And there you have it. Adding a logo in Power BI Desktop is a straightforward process that packs a punch in terms of branding and professionalism. This small touch can significantly impact how your report is perceived and remembered. Give it a try on your next project and let your branding shine through, all while keeping your insights in the spotlight. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add a logo in Power BI Desktop. Brand your reports quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to add a logo in Power BI Desktop, brand your reports, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.